Hi and welcome to another edition of Ask the Geeks. Lalit has written in to us saying that his new phone doesn't have a headphone jack, and he wanted to know what his options are, considering that he has already spent a lot of money on buying a Bose QC25, and he doesn't obviously even want to lose out that investment. Lalit, there are a lot of people in the boat with you. Don't worry. Myself, I have a Pixel 2 without a headphone jack, and almost every other day I complain about it. Uh, I kind of have made my peace with it mainly because I have not yet invested in really expensive wired headsets. I have a pair of Bluetooth headsets, but I totally feel your pain, Lalit, and I totally believe that you should be able to connect it. Now, here are a couple of options which you have. One is, of course, you mentioned that you have the new Essential phone, and Essential phone also comes with a dongle like this, which is essentially something with a USB-C on one end, and of course you've got your 3.5 mm jack here. So of course you can plug this in into your Essential phone and plug in your Bose. But a slightly more elegant solution though is to go for a Bluetooth dongle, something like this. What I have here is the BlueAnt ribbon. Now if you look at it, it's very beautifully built, and it just has a micro USB charger here, and it has a headphone port. So all I can do, let me just show you, is I have a cheapo earphones here. So I can just plug this in here, clip this to my shirt, and wear any earphone which I choose. So this adapter, by the way, this is the BlueAnt ribbon. This is a Bluetooth adapter, and this can pair with my phone. So I have the best of both worlds. I don't have to deal with my phone tied to my headphone and one snagging off and etc. That way it's wireless. At the same time, you have the you can continue using your Bose wired headsets. So I would recommend a good Bluetooth adapter where you can plug this in and lead both the wireless and wireline. So that's it's either that or the dongle. Not the best of choices, but it's the best of what we've got. So if you have any other questions, please write into us at tech@talkingstuff.net. That's TECH, tech@talkingstuff.net. And if you find this useful, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and you can send us your questions like I said earlier. Ciao and bye bye.